how long it takes to become an expert, how difficult it is. And I cannot answer this question, neither can anyone else, because Oliver might learn at a faster or a slower pace than Izukanji. Everybody is different. You cannot expect everybody to learn at the same pace and or become an expert in the same amount of time. And expert is a very broad word. Who do you call an expert, right? Who knows someone who knows everything about Google and got all the certifications and gets no results for their clients, or someone who has learned Google Ads by themselves and uh, generating leads and sales and running profitable campaigns for their clients. I would say the latter person, right? All you need to do is to become good in Google Ads and start running campaigns which perform and are profitable. And in my eyes, that person is an expert because they are making money for their clients and making money for themselves as well. So everybody has got a different way of learning, and they will have different level of experience and so on. All I would say to you is just focus on one thing and become really focused on getting good at Google Ads if that's what you want to learn.